Hey, it's Saturday, and this weekend I'm gonna vlog everything because on weekends we have Sabbath day, we have church day, and then Mondays are like half Sabbath, half like just the girls are here. It's really fun. I showered, and there's these Swazi women who do laundry as their job. I walked my clothes down to the office for them to wash, which is such a blessing, and then we get to make our own breakfast and take our time. So I'm literally having avocado toast because I still have avocados from the store, and we got a toaster. Some people are at Nisela, which is basically just like a touristy restaurant place. It's like 10 minutes away. I really like on my Sabbath days to just stay here.
Lexi just joined me. Tell me about your Sabbath day breakfast.
So I have some cinnamon toast, sugary, cinnamony, my favorite. Really reminds me of home. Love me some cinnamon toast. And I just have some scrambled eggs with salt.
Yep, we get bougie around here.
I love cooking though. Yeah, so it was a good time. These are my only clean clothes though.
So I'm wearing my only clean clothes
So,
too.
you know.
This is my 4th day in a row wearing this outfit. 4th. So the plan was to vlog all day today, and I have failed. What's what I'm looking for? I have failed greatly. But literally all I've done today is sit in the hammock and read my Bible. I took a nap in the hammock, and I've prayed a lot. Peace, love, Sabbath. That's what we do. Literally not an exciting day at all, but so restful and so fun. And there's about to be a thunderstorm. Anything I forgot?
No.
It's literally all we've done today.
Yeah. It's a lazy day, but a good kind of lazy, you know? Restful.
Restful lazy. There's a difference. Check out the sky. Like what? And my awesome friends worshiping over there. It's a beautiful night. Hey Peyton. You look cute. Zumba was legit. It is now Sunday, and it is hot.
It is
hot
in here today, honey.
Look at everyone. That was perfect timing. Everyone's walking in to just show how horrible it is outside today. We walked to church. So it's gonna be a sweaty one. Grace Davis, everyone. She sucks.
Anna loves me!
So Danielle is not in enough of my vlogs, and she is one of my besties. Yeah. So I was like, walk with me to church today so you can get in on this vlog action.
Vlogging weekend.
And guess whose skirt I'm wearing today? Danielle's.
None other.
It's her special day.
My birthday.
So I'm gonna record this moment of truth. Leighton said he'd walk with us, and we see him waiting, and we're gonna see, is he waiting for us or for someone else? Dun, dun. Are you waiting for us? Yeah. You really are? Aww. One of my besties right here.
And then Sam. Yeah.
And my other bestie, duh. Tell me what Swazi church is like.
Loud.
Full of.
It's a vibe dojo.
Yeah.
It's a vibe dojo. It's just a dance party.
It really is.
And then a lot of screaming and yelling.
Tell us.
Chronicles of a Ginger.
Give us the inside scoop.
Well, starts as a boy. You get made fun of for not having a soul.
Aww. We're here at church.
We did it.
Who's the sweatiest?
God. Bless America.
Girl Tamile. Look how beautiful she is.
Can you wave at the camera? Wave.
Aww. Hi, Kaylin. Wanna be in the video too? Look at everyone. So we just got back from church, and we've already all splashed our faces with water and changed, which is why I look different. Church ended up being about 2 hours and 45 minutes, and it was really, really hot. Not even being dramatic, like it felt like a sauna, but it was good. It was good.
Yay!
That's none of my business.
Can
Welcome
you
to the
tell them that
compound.
we had team time?
So today we had team time, and it was really fruitful.
And then we just were hanging out.
We were just hanging out,
And now what are we doing?
we're gonna go to dinner.
Yeah.
Here's the common room where we eat dinner. And
So much has changed since I last showed the compound. These rooms are done now. We have an awning thing. There's a roof there. Wow.
and a chute here.
Oh.
Hey guys, it's Anna's vlog. I'm just interrupting it. I don't even know. Little Lexi, I'm the best.
So we just had no we didn't. We just had a teaching and now we get to do dishes. We can do it. Now we get to go and have a Freedom Seekers meeting, which is my whole heart and I'm so excited. It's a Bible study for insecurities. That's all for today, everyone. Solid day. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, worship group, everyone say hey!
What's up, you guys?
Caleb's favorite thing is vlogging.
Sorry, I'm just tuning my vocal. You're running.
Hey guys, welcome to Swaziland. My name is Caleb Mitchell and I'll be your tour guide.
And there is David, our host, and our worship group leader himself. Caught on camera. What are we doing now, Caleb?
So we got given a worship assignment.
Got given.
We're given a worship assignment. It's me, Anna, and Jess. We have to write a song by this coming Friday. And then Sunday night, it's Monday right now. Sunday night, we will get to play them for the squad, and the long-term missionary families are gonna get to come and hang out with us. So we're pretty hyped, but we just got a lot of work to do. So
That was so normal. You just said all that.
shout out my buddies. Hey, what up?
We literally wrote songs for 3 hours, but it was so fun, and it's done now. So that was really exciting, and I'll post the song eventually. But yeah, that's been the majority of my day, and now we're just chilling. They just got some groceries, so that's exciting. Caleb, are you ready to make fun of me?
Hey guys. My hair's messed up. I'm really tired. There we go. Proper lighting. Lights, camera, action. Hey guys, we're back. Had a worship meeting this morning, and that's pretty much how my day went. It is so hot here. Yeah, it's hot.
So we just had team worship over in the prayer garden, which I'll have to show you because it didn't exist when we first came to the compound, but now it does. It's my favorite place on the whole compound. And now we're gonna deep clean this place. We do that every Monday. So we split up jobs amongst all the teams and clean the entire compound. The guys actually leave on Monday nights and go do prison ministry, and then they stay at this one missionary's house. So we have woman time every Monday night, and it's so fun. So we don't know what we're doing, but after a deep clean, we have dinner, and then we do that, and it's really fun. So that's what's going on.
Yeah. Tell us about the heat.
I'm angry.
Yeah.
It's 102 degrees today.
Is it?
What the weather told me.
Oh.
In Nepal, it will be in 2 weeks, but I'm staying present.
Yes,
It's
you
like
are.
50 degrees.
50.
It's really freaking hot. Look at my hair. I literally look like Coconut Head. So now, the sun is gone, but a severe storm is coming. How long? Over an hour. We don't have water, and so now it's time for dinner. So, and we're also running out of the clean water to drink. So we're all dying.
We can't shower. Look how dirty I am.
This sound actually physically hurts my ears.
Wait. This is dinner. It's called pop. It's basically like cornmeal and water and beef stew.
Oh, she's so spicy.
Spicy. The storm has ceased temporarily, and there's a rainbow. And now my beautiful friends over here. Check this out. Like, beautiful.
Sarah has not been featured in a while.
I haven't.
We literally survived.
We survived.
And we actually thrived. We loved it here.
Yeah, we're sad to leave.
We leave in like a week and a half,
Yeah.
which is
And
crazy.
Crazy to think that 2.5 months ago, almost 3 months
We
ago,
were sitting right there,
We were sitting
crying.
there like, yeah,
Crying to each other.
Jesus, get us through this is what we were saying.
And he said, okay girls, strap in. It's gonna be a fun ride.
You're gonna love Swaziland.
And we did love Swaziland. Man,
Wow.
we did it.
Oh.
God did it. Man.
We're
not
done with
doing
dishes.
Also, update, the water is still not working. So we're all just covered in dirt and beef and sweat. Ew!
Also, they put in this little spot for our hammocks. So that's really fun.
So we have ice cream. So happy. Emmy's thrilled. And we're watching Christmas with the Cranks. Here's everyone.